Imagine a drop of rain and the journey it takes. For the rain that falls directly into a stream, river or loch, the journey downstream is quite fast, from source to sea. But when rain falls on the land, the water begins a more complex journey. Rain falling on vegetation can be held on the surface of its leaves and get used by the plant or evaporated back into the air. But most rain ends up on the ground and will try to move down through the soil. This water encounters underground ecosystems of roots and soil-dwelling organisms that rely on the water. Healthy soils are biologically active, with earthworms, other invertebrates, fungi and bacteria thriving in a network of pores. Healthy soil biology fundamentally improves the properties of water. This is part of a global system that regulates key biological and chemical processes of planet Earth, from source to sea and back again, from every catchment to all corners of the ocean. Unfortunately, the way we have used and managed land has resulted in simpler, less diverse and generally drier landscapes, with downstream effects all the way to the sea. These effects can be caused by seemingly simple actions on the land, such as the compaction of soils by heavy machinery. This limits the ability of soil to hold water, causing excessive runoff when it rains. The power of water running over soils then increases erosion and landslips, and the loss of contaminants, nutrients and soil to rivers and the sea. While on flatter land, compacted soils can lead to occasional flooding, made all the worse by the more rapid runoff from the hills. Compacted, unhealthy soils also reduce the ability of microscopic life to help recycle or lock away greenhouse gases. Compacted soils are also harder for plant roots and animals to burrow into, and drier soils can overheat without water to help regulate temperatures, while climate change also increases the vulnerability of unhealthy land to wildfires, pests, pathogens, disease, floods and drought. For all these reasons and more, how we use land in the context of the broader source-to-sea system is fundamental to tackling the joint climate and nature crisis. Ecosystem restoration across many diverse, complex landscapes will help recover the natural processes of water, soil and vegetation, resulting in benefits for climate, nature and people from global to local scales. Water connects our uplands to our seas and all the farmland, forests, wetlands and cities in between. By coordinating our management of these environments that are inherently connected but often managed separately, we can find efficiencies and synergies when tackling the joint climate and nature crisis. Not only will this provide us with the wonder of nature, it will also remove greenhouse gases from the atmosphere, reduce pressures on downstream environments and coastal seas, and improve our resilience to existing and future challenges.